Welcome back my YouTube channel. Let's start our topic today. Green marketing in a digital age. A systematic lecture review. 1. Dr. School of Regional and Business Administration Science, Sachin Christoph University, Hangar. Department of International Studies and Communications, QS, Lithuanian University, Goa, Hungary. 3. Department of Corporate Leadership and Marketing, Saksim Israel University, where Hungary authored to whom correspondence should be addressed. Abstract. This research aims to analyze and statistic the research article published over the past 10 years from 2012 to 2022 that deal with green marketing, the digital marketing. The objective is the track to the evaluation of a research in the field and the understand the trends on which the area has been researched during this that period. The paper is based on the debates of a 15 research article published in the specific period. This paper is not limited to specific journals. Only the topic and the period are specific. The debates analyze decrease the topic and personality of the articles, the methodology used and the theme. In addition to other factors of the given research, the main finding of this research is the identification of five main themes or categories within the research area: strategies, challenges, promotions, consumers, and digital media. These themes provide valuable insights for participants and scholars and ultimately benefit the broader communication by providing information on decisions making and promoting suitables in digital marketing and green marketing. This paper will help research better understand this research trend in the field and acquire some up-to-date analysis but about the research related to digital marketing and green marketing. Introduction. Environment issue has long been a concern regarding the environment effect of the production, distribution and consumption of a product have led to many research efforts over 2 years to create what is known as green or environmentally friendly product. A green product is a term used to describe product that cause minimum harm to environment. Regarding the nature of the product and their manufacturing process, gas information and use of a natural resource, as well as their distribution of a various level. The term of a green product gave rise to term green advertising. It is now fact that advertisement of product plays significant role in consumption patterns. Various research work have showed the proper advertisement techniques can shift the habits and behavior of a people daily life in way that make them more likely to consume certain product. The advertising effort and techniques focused on creating this shift towards the consumption of green production and referred to as green advertisement. The term green marketing was first introducing in the late 1918 and early 1990 by Pollux Everett. Green marketing means minimize product environment impact through product redesign, suitable manufacturing, and integrated marketing campaigns. It aims to promote eco-friendly product and meet the demand for sustainable consumption. The main objective of a green marketing is to position this environmentally friendly product in the market and appeal to environment conscious consumer. Understanding the distinction between green marketing and sustainable marketing is a circular. While green marketing focus on promoting environment friendly products, suitable marketing takes a broader perspective and involves the inclusion of the entry communication, including its social objective and effort toward environment preservation. It necessitates the active participant of a both national and local government organization and the general population, along with essential resources such as human expensive financial backing. The instruction. Satisfactory marketing goes beyond promotion, screen production, and advertising for suitable business, particularly involving piloting social response alternatives, reducing carbon footprints, embracing their trade practice, supporting locals communicate, and ensuring long-term economic stability by considering social and economic aspects alongside environment factors. Thanks for watching this video.